And now let me also tell you a shocking thing. So this website is running on complete automation. So nobody is publishing the article on the website manually. Everything is done automatically. The research has been done automatically, and Arvo is doing everything on its own. So you clicked on this video because you want to grow your website like this. So this website, it started using Arvo's AI generated content and it started publishing on the website somewhere around here. So it is a fresh website. Just, you can see they started growing from January, and you can see the traffic right now that this website is getting. So it is ranking on somewhere around 17,000 keywords, and it is getting estimated traffic of 12,000, but it is way more traffic because it's an estimated value. And the revenue this website is generating is somewhere around 6,000, and they are also doing paid promotions as well. So it is close to 10,000 per month. And now let me also tell you a shocking thing. So this website is running on complete automation. So nobody is publishing the article on the website manually. Everything is done automatically. The research has been done automatically, and Arvo is doing everything on its own. So guys, coming back to Arvo, so it's a AI-powered SEO writer that this website is using. And just not this website, you can go to the resources and case studies. You will find a lot of websites which is using Arvo, and they are skyrocketing their traffic and generating a lot of money. And if you want to achieve the same results, all you need is this $39 plan. So let's quickly go to this website. So as you can see, this website is like AdSense approved, and it is publishing a lot of article. So for example, let's click on this article, and you can see this article, it was produced by Arvo, and they're making money through Google Ads. Right off the bat, you can see the images were like also produced by Arvo. The content structure is proper, and you can see it has also included a lot of stats to improve the credibility of the article. And you can also do that, and all you need is just like a simple subscription. You need just basic keyword research, and after that you can generate the article in just under 1 minute. Let me quickly show you how. So guys, after successfully purchasing Arvo's paid subscription, your dashboard will look something like this. And for generating articles, all we have to do is we have to click on this generate articles from here, and then you have to click on SEO articles. Now you have to place your keyword in here. So taking the example of this website, you can see this website is related to employment niche. They are publishing articles related to finance, business, life insurance. So for getting the keywords right, keywords ideas, so I have published a video on my channel. So I'll also place the link in the description. So basically you need to understand the basic of keyword research as well. You need to know what keyword difficulty is, what is the volume, and what are the keywords that you can choose, so that basically you can rank on them easily, purely on the basis of high quality of content that has been produced by Arvo. So you will find great detail in this video regarding this topic. I highly recommend you also check this video after you complete watching this. So I've selected this topic, and after that you have to click on add keywords. So you can also place your title. It's completely optional, but the option is there for you as well. After that, you can see our title is present here. Now, what you can do is you can you get two options in Arvo. Basically, you can click on this button, and in just under 1 minute, it will produce a very high quality article like this, which is going to rank in Google for you in under 1 minute. But you also have a lot of control over the quality of article which has been produced. So you can change the details, you can change the outline content, you can create a knowledge graph. So for example, you can add some information that is related to your business, and Arvo will also integrate it into the article. And you can also change the formatting structure. So basically you have the complete control over the quality of article which Arvo is going to produce. But if you don't have that much time, you don't have technical knowledge, you can simply ignore this and hit on generate article, and Arvo will do its magic, and it will produce a good quality of article. Basically, I've also shown you the result, like the articles are also ranking. You can see like the website is making a good amount of money. So within a matter of minutes, our article will be completed and we will take a look at the quality of article Arvo has produced for us. So guys, Arvo has successfully generated our article. For viewing the article, all you have to do is you have to click here and you can expand the view after clicking here. So you can see this is the article that Arvo has produced. It has included a table of content, and you can see it has properly structured the article so that like it is easier for the user to view. The user experience is good. It has included proper headings, and for some reason if you don't like certain portions, you can also select that portion and you can also ask Arvo to rewrite that section. We can make it shorter, we can make it longer, we can completely rewrite it, we can simplify it. So this handy tool is there in Arvo as well, so you can completely utilize this. And after that, if you have set up blog automation, you can publish this directly onto your website, or you can download and simply copy paste this and start publishing these types of content on your website. And guys, in one of my previous videos, someone has commented and asked whether they can use AI content on their website. So Google guideline is very clear on AI content. As long as the content is of high quality, Google doesn't care. So if you are producing such high quality content and publishing on your website, you are completely fine. There is no issue with that. And like if you are consistent, you are regularly publishing high quality content on your website, you will start to see result, and you will see that a lot of users, you will get a lot of traction on your website. So once again, the pricing starts from just $39, and also you can choose this plan if you are planning to like scale your website to another level. And for more videos, you can also check these videos out, and I'll see you next time.